We are at the Union Station, main entrance. We're going to LA. All right, we're going down. All right. Let's find where our train is.
Boarding right now.
Boarding.
Train 3.
Train 320. Let's go. Yep. I think it's down. 820, right? Let's do it. Now, this is the Grand. Oh, no, not the Grand, but it's a Union Station in Chicago. This is how you board your train anywhere in the U.S. Going that way. This is now. Oh, we have a lot of good things here. This is good. All right. This is nice. Okay. Hi.
Yes. Do you have sleeper room or coach?
He's got it. She's got it.
Here to the right is your boarding area.
Okay.
Train number 3 will board out of gate letter E about 30 minutes prior to departure.
Okay.
They're here to the right.
I'm not going, but am I allowed to go in?
Well, you can't go to the train.
Oh, okay. Just go in. Okay. Thank you,
Are
ma'am.
you taping us though? Because that's not.
It's not? Okay. No problem. I will quit this one here. Thank you, ma'am, for letting me know.
No problem.
All right. We can't film inside on the train, you know, because it's highly security too. So I'm going up now. I got Maddie to LA. All right. Let's go blog a little bit outside the Union Station. But this is the Union Station. It's a big, 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 big place. Nice. All right, they're coming in. It's a lot of, it's a busy train place. It's busy. A lot of, ooh, a little behind. So this is the main station here. This one here. And this is Union Station. All right. It's really nice. Now we are going to go up there at Adams Street. This is Adams right here. I'm gonna go blog or show you how going to the east side. Our car is over there, so we could go back here and check it out. Let's cross the street. Hi, George. You want some apples? No, thank you. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yeah. She don't want no apples. She's nice. Oh man, this is the 53rd bank here. It's like underneath is the Union Station or the train. I mean, you could go anywhere you want in the nation. All right. We are right now on the South Side River. That's the Sears Tower right there. But we don't want to go in there. It's like, you know, yeah, there's the Union Station right there. So many travelers. But anyway, we don't want to go out there. I just believe why Chicago has so many pigeons. I don't know why Chicago has so many pigeons. I don't know why. Is this a pigeon country? Let me talk to them a little bit. I don't know. Pigeon. And you got a little bird here. I think they're feeding them. This is a pigeon country. And you got all that right there. All these condominiums. It's probably $5,000. And on the other side too. These are expensive. Can't afford that. That's the Monroe Bridge. And I think we're in the Adams Bridge here. I don't know. Chicago is really pretty nice. All right. Let's go out. There's another pigeon. I think this is a pigeon country. I think it's illegal to harm a pigeon here in Chicago. All right, let's go out here. Let's go to that place, because, all right, our parking anyway is like till 3:32, so it won't expire. We're just gonna go fast. We are in, right there's the Sears Tower, dude. And you got Starbucks. Look at that, Sears Tower. We should go upstairs, up on top, but no, we don't want to do that. Takes time. But anyway, this is like the business section here. You got what? UBS, all kinds of sections. Yeah, this is South Wacker Street, not Wacker Place, but this is where this is going on. This is Charles Schwab. This is Charles Schwab here. Big building, tall. There you go, bud. Yes. All right. Now you know. This is just a short vlog, but it will show you how Chicago is. It's really nice. This is Adams, Wacker Place, and it's really nice. All right, let's go back and here. All right, we'll see you. Very friendly guy, very friendly guy. All right, we'll see you. Don't forget to subscribe, buddy.